Hello, my name is Rudrajit, third year student, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology, BTech Information Technology. I did my full stack development 50 hours course from Sikharthy Infotech Private Limited. It was a great learning course with projects. It was done on PHP MySQL. Later on, when the training was completed with interview and coding round, I got an opportunity to work as an intern in this company. It was great working in this company under my trainer Moinak sir, and for front end I used HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and for back end I used uh, PHP MySQL. It was a great time in Sikharthi. The work culture is very good. Our sir, Dipan sir, is very helpful. The team was very enthusiastic and the work culture was very good. Thank you.